Adventures of
Bill
the Seagull.
Looks like I've got to go back home today. Better start packing before I miss the flight. Sure, I'm gonna miss this place. Hello and welcome to Aeroplane Place. Can I please have your ticket? Thank you.
Bill.
Your seat is 24J. I hope I don't sit next to anyone weird. Hey! Do you like ice cream? I like ice cream.
We've arrived at Australia.
So, what's your name, Mr. Seagull? My name is Bill. It is very nice to meet you, Mr.
Bill.
Now that will be $500.